Slovenia. It's the role of phytotherapy in modern society, and we've got Sabina Krsnik here with us. If Sabina is there with us, please. That poll should start completing itself in the next couple of minutes. So if Sabina, you're with us. Okay, maybe we need to remove the poll there in a minute just to see, please. Okay, so we can see the results of the poll there as well, in the context of the potential for conservation agriculture. Some say yes, some say maybe not. They would like to see more conservation and regenerative agriculture in your region. That's a very high score there of 97%. So thank you, Tony, who's in the background there controlling those polls. If we can maybe close that off so we can allow Sabina to get her presentation started. Okay, I'm still seeing the poll in front of us here. If we can.
Okay. Can you hear me?
Yes, Sabina, thank you so much.
Thank you, Ryan. A warm welcome to everyone listening. Today I'm going to give you some information about the Phytofarms project, in which I am participating as a project coordinator and researcher about the problems and challenges of phytotherapy in modern society and with goals we want to achieve in this field. The project entitled Development and Introduction of Training Courses on Medical Plants and on Educational Farms, Phytofarms, was selected on the basis of a call for sub-measure support for diversification of agricultural activities and is co-financed by European Agriculture Fund for Rural Development in amount of almost 75,000 euros. In the framework of the project, a development partnership has been established between our university, which is the leading partner, and four other partners: educational institution Višnja Gora and Farm Mahne, Divji Vrt, and Markovi. We started the project in October 2019, and it will last until October 2021. The aim of the project was to investigate the possibilities of developing and pilot implementation of activities on farms in the field of environmental and nutritional education with a focus on phytotherapeutic content. Phytotherapy is by definition a method of treating, alleviating, and preventing disease using herbs or parts of them. Today, herbal medicine is experiencing a great significant growth, mainly due to greater consideration of the side effects of medicines, an understanding of environmental protection, and the awareness of people who want to take more responsibility for their health. Despite the increasing use of medicinal plants, modern medicine still largely rejects herbal medicines or greatly underestimates their efficiency and therefore does not list them in the therapeutic guidelines. Therefore, even herbal medicinal products with well-documented efficiency are often neglected. And the main reason for this is that they are usually not covered or only mentioned in the curricula of university courses. There are many different regulations worldwide when it comes to determining who can carry out phytotherapy and what qualifications are required. Due to different approaches, it is difficult to determine the absolute number of providers worldwide. Nevertheless, it is important to be aware that the knowledge and skills of the provider have a direct impact on the patient safety. Also, in Slovenia, the profession of phytotherapist is not yet included in the list of healthcare professions. This refers also to the first problem addressed by the Phytofarms project, namely that health sector in Slovenia is generally unregulated, as many provide their services uncontrolled. According to the Association for Integrative Medicine, there are about 7,000 different healers operating uncontrolled in Slovenia, some of whom registered their service without any proof of the knowledge or methods they use or sell, and many of them act as amateurs. Due to the problems listed above, professional experts in the field of complementary medicine have recently made great efforts to establish mutual cooperation with health and education institutions. And I am very happy to inform you that this year our university was one of the first in Europe who accredited a higher professional study program of the first level of phytotherapy, amounting 180 ECTS, with the goal to educate and train students for the qualitative, safe, responsible, and ethical implementation of the phytotherapy treatment method. The second problem that farms in Slovenia are not aware of the importance of extensive farming areas for nature conservation and do not know how to find market potential in them. With this project, we want to show other farms how they can use such areas for herbalism, tourism, wild cooking, and of course, phytotherapy. The most important conclusion we came to during the first year of the project is that the habitats of medical plants and wild food in natural environment are a value of national importance that we must preserve and strengthen, as well as promote public awareness, support, and of course, education. The main objectives or goals that we want to achieve with the project are preparation of training courses for students of phytotherapy study, preparation of trainings for students of educational institution Višnja Gora, preparation of programs or trainings that help to learn about and maintain the environment, healthy lifestyle, and the use of local raw materials for nutrition and health, as well as programs to support the personal growth of young people. The sustainability of the project results will be demonstrated in the developed programs during the project, and which will continue to be used in the practical part of phytotherapy study program after the end of the project. We also train new external farms and people who want to develop their market offer from the contents mentioned above. All partners will also use the achieved result in their further work, like use a design management tool to improve and create new services on their farms, strengthen the market, and participate in new initiatives for on-farm professions. This is my final slide and all from my side. I sincerely thank you for your attention, and I will be happy to answer to all your questions.
Thank you, Sabina. Great presentation, and again, really interesting area of work. And I hope that, again, as she says,